everybody, it's Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. In the world of bazillion different types of RVs, today we're going to compare a Puma and a Clipper, both single axle, 16, 18 foot bunkhouse model travel trailers under 4,000 pounds. Coachman Clipper, who doesn't love a little extra time in the kitchen and definitely needs some space, right? So the Coachman Clipper, you're gonna find a couple covers. You're gonna find this nice glass upgraded stove top cover that you could fold up out of the way, obviously, do some meals, fold it down to give you a little bit of storage space. Also, same thing with the sink cover. And other than the upgraded nice look, marble look to your countertop, you also see the upgraded residential look on your faucet. All right, so this 17 BH Clipper model is going to have a bigger booth. How big is it? I got a tape measure. You're gonna find it to be about a little over 3.5 feet wide and almost a couple inches shy of 6 feet long. One great feature with this Clipper is got the front rounded wall. Gas prices are what they are, aerodynamics is what it is. You put the math with the rounded wall, shoot off that wind, save you some gas mileage. On the outside of the Puma, you get this nice windshield effect window up front. I look good. From the inside, the front window has the nice pleated blinds to keep the scenes in or out, but more light in. I don't know about you, but when I go camping, I like to eat. But in order to eat, you need to have a nice big refrigerator. Compared to everybody else's 6 cubic foot refrigerator, this is 11 cubic foot, almost twice as big as what you have standard in all the other RVs. All right, RVers, you know, every time you hook and unhook, you're pretty much going up and down with the tongue of the trailer 3 times. Wouldn't it be nice to just be able to push a button? All right, so this Puma model, 16 BHX, BH means bunkhouse, which means kids. Awesome to have an outside shower. Clean up those dirty hands and feet.